Right, well, we're here today and we're gonna make a toy truck.
Owen!
Sorry, Chris is gonna be making a toy truck.
Get off my chair!
It's my fucking chair.
Go to bed. He's actually gone. He's actually going to. No, he's gone. His headset set smells now. Fuck you! I don't want to wear it. Anyway, welcome to Software Shenanigans. Today we'll be making.
Serious software shenanigans.
Welcome to Serious Software Shenanigans. Today we will be making a toy truck to test out all those skills we learnt in the previous 2 tutorials. 3 if I've actually uploaded the last one by now. Anyway, let's go into Max. First we need to bring up that image. Oh, that image?
The reference image.
First we need to bring up a reference image of a side view of a truck. Or a toy truck, or any object we'll be modelling. So, if you click on the left window here, it can also be the right or the top view, but today we're going to be using the left. Hold Alt and then B, you bring up the viewport configuration. What we want is we want to be using a file. Do actually get an image, don't just follow what I'm doing and then going, oh, I can't find the truck image, it's not on my desktop. Anyway, you wasn't saying it. Go to bed. Anyway, go to Use Files. Click Files. Find that image. Mine's on the desktop, and I've chosen a lovely little toy truck. Hey, found all the images. Here we go. There's the truck. Now I want to go Match Bitmap and lock to pan view, and then OK it. Now we have our truck as a reference image. Yay! Right, let's get a box from our primitives. Let's just drag that over there, get a basic shape, then drag it out in the side view, and click. There's a truck. No. Modifier to get rid, so we're not in create mode anymore. Right click, convert to editable poly, and let's start shaping it. So all I'm doing here is I'm moving the vertexes like we were before, as you've seen in the previous video, just to get the basic shape of the truck. Move that like that and that up there like that. See, now it's starting to make a bit of a shape here, and then we're going to go into edge mode, drag across to select all the edges. Ooh. Anyway, now we're going to use that connect tool we used last time. Yeah, let's just move that down to there. So we're just going to have a bit to extrude out here, and also that gives us a front part that we can move. So we're adding more editable geometry, that we can edit. Let's just do the same for the top here. Go into edge mode. Oops, there we go. Add connect. I'm going to add 2 this. I'm going to make this 0. Make this 2. So now we've got 2 of these. Okay. And I'm just going to use the vertex to outline. I'm just going to move these vertexes so that they outline this window here. I'll show you why in a minute. I think Owen's fast asleep. Either that or he's faking. Are you faking? No, he's gone. He's asleep. Let's pile shit on top of him. Let's just, there we go. Then move that one up. So it's in line with that window. Move it in a little bit. I'm being a bit fiddly, but there we go. There's the outline of our truck. And that forwards. Oops. There we go. There's the outline. And then we're going to go into it. Sorry, I've got a cold, so I might be sniffing a little bit. There we go. And then we're going to add some more connects in here. We'll start off with 2, and then we'll add more as needed. Just going to move that to the edge of the window. Same with that one. There we go. Let's make this a little bit neater. Bring that down. So basically, the more connects I add, the more sculptural geometry I have to play with. Move that up to the top of the rim. Let's add a few more connects in. If you click one line, hold shift, click the line next to it, you'll select them all the way around. Then add some more connects in here. Yeah, we'll add two. It's gonna be quite a low poly asset. So let's just bring this, moulding it to the shape of that arch. Needs to be a bit wider. Move that one across. Oops. What I'm doing, I'm not just clicking one. To select both of them, I'm just clicking and dragging. It's a very good technique to use. It means that you won't accidentally just move one and then the rest of the model is unbalanced on each side. Just makes it symmetrical. Ah, I hate this keyboard. He's got a gaming keyboard, so he's got all these extra things on it, so I try and hit shift, I hit the freaking S5 key. He loves it though. It's his favourite keyboard. It's his child. So adorable! Right, we're almost finished this now. Just gonna move this. There we go. Got the basic shape of the arch. And we got the window built there. Now we just need to make the window in the front. So just go to the front view, select, shift select the line above it, just go all the way around. Connect, so now I've got two, and I'm going to use the middle scroller just to bring those out. Wide as a window. There we go. The window will be the correct size because we've already done this here. We've already scoped this. So the window's actually in line. Actually, I should probably make it even more in line by pulling that up like that. Now the window's completely in line. Right, now we're going to use a new modifier. We're going to use the shell modifier. But first we've got to delete all the faces we won't be needing. So control, select all the ones we won't be needing, which are the three windows. Is that right? Yeah, that looks about right. Delete. Actually, if I want to bring this little vertex forward, I can do that still. There we go. Right, that's that. So the shell modifier. With the object selected, go into modifier list, type in S, and it will go, oh no, apparently not on this computer. Nope, it won't work that way. Right, scroll down the bottom. Usually if you type in SH, it will just come up, but apparently it hasn't been preset. So we have shell, which is here. Click that, and you have the inner and outer amount. This is preset so that the outer, so that it's basically extruded it on all sides. So we don't want it to extrude out, we want to extrude in. So we'll change that to 0, and we'll change the inner amount to 5. There we go. You see what it's done there? It's extruded every face in. So now we have 2 layers rather than just one. So right click, convert to editable poly. And I'm actually going to, because dashboards aren't really that thin, I'm going to click and I'm just going to drag that in. Like that. There we go. Let's drag the face in. It doesn't really matter that it's slightly off on the inside, because no one looks in the inside of a toy truck. Right. Next bit, we're just going to sculpt this back bit out. Extrude. We've used extrude before. Scroll that up. Move that down. Right, to make this line straight, because it's at a slight angle at the minute, if you go into the scale, if you go onto the axis which is opposite the way that the line's actually going, so this line is going north to south, if I just pull that, if I just scale that, it actually straightens the line for you, which is pretty awesome. And then I just need to add in another connect here, so I'm going to go into Edge, click one, shift click, X the other, and it's only doing the outside, it's not doing the inside ones. It's not doing the inside shell, if that makes sense. It's just doing the outside layer, so you can save on polys. Yeah, let's just move that down. Oop, wrong one. There we go. And then select just these three, like that. Extrude. Bring that back a bit. And then I'm going to extrude that, the next one, all the way to the end. Extrude all the way. There we go. And then go into edge mode again. Click drag, select all of these. Connect. Oops, I need more than one. Control Z. Sorry, I forgot to click the little box next to it. There we go. Make that. Default these to 0 every time you're doing a new one, which it doesn't want to do. There we go. It's being weird. There we go. Add a few more connects. 5. That'll do. And then just back into it again. Just gonna. Oh, that one's fine where it is. Start moving these up to make this arch. You can always add more connects later on to make it a little bit more smooth around the edges. Oh, that's perfect, that is. Oh, damn cold. Let's drag these down. Yeah, it's pretty much perfect. You can see our little trucks coming along nicely there. There we go. This is the part you can add smoothing groups to the underside. Was that all done? Yep, that's the main bulk of the truck done. So let's just add some smoothing groups. Let's go into face mode. Select these. I'm just going to do it to one side. You can do it to both. Just showing you. Right, clear all. Then select A2, and it's all smooth all the way around. Right, that's the truck done. So right click, convert to editable poly,